Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Diva Messi, in case you don't already know, and in today's video we're going to be kickstarting a brand new series, okay? And this series is called TikTok Hair Diaries. Okay, what are we going to be doing in this series, you might ask? From the title already you can tell we're going to be recreating TikTok hair videos. We're going to be recreating the most viral, the most trending, the most creative hairstyles on TikTok. We're going to be doing that right here on myself. Okay, I know sometimes these videos be tempting. You see a hairstyle looking so good, DIYs, and you're like, I need to try that. So I'm going to be trying that for you guys. Let's see if it's a hit or a miss, if we're going to go with it or not. You guys are going to get to decide that in the comment section, and let me know your thoughts after the end of the video. Right, so if that sounds like your vibe, if that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure to keep on watching. Love you. Mwah. So my lovelies, this is the hairstyle we're trying to achieve today. So this is basically like a space bun side parts. That's what's going on right here. And then the way she twisted the attachments on the base is just really pretty. And I really want to see how simple it is. It looks really simple when she was doing it. And we're going to find out together if it's actually that simple, okay? So first things first, we're going to go ahead and put our hair into a space bun. And then we're going to continue and see where this leads us. So my lovelies, we're done with packing it, okay? This is what it's looking like. So you see she had kind of like a side bun thing. I tried my best to actually like make this as equal as possible, but because there's like more hair on this side, it's actually a bit hard. It's a bit hard, but you know, you can maneuver it, okay? So this is what we're having. Now it's time for the extension, the attachments. We're going to be using the Darling Superstar, okay? So this is what the full length of the attachment is. So I've gone ahead, it comes in twos. Okay, so 1, 2. So I've gone ahead to cut it into 2 equal parts, and that's what we're going to be using to wrap. I'm actually hoping it's like long enough because it was too long to use. So I'm hoping that me cutting it into like 2 equal parts is like long enough for this experiment we're doing. First of all, she went ahead with your scrunchie, and then you just want to so we have that secured, and then I'm just going to, I think we should start from, which side should we start from? So I'm going to be using this, and I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it tightly. Okay.
And securing others with bobby pins until you get your final product.
So
this was so fun. I'm so curious to hear your thoughts.
If it's too much,
so we're just gonna keep on twisting. We're going to twist it. I'm thinking this is too big, but it's fine since it's gonna be the one that's like really inside, covering up the braids. So it's actually not meant to be this tight, but it's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and just, she kept twisting and twisting. Why is it not twisting? Okay, so just keep twisting. Do we see it? Okay, it's coming alive. I know it's just one, but it looks cute. Do you see the vision? One thing I like about myself is that when it comes to hair, once I get the hang of it, I just start moving in a lightning speed. Like it just keeps going beautiful for me. Like look at that, look at how I'm twisting faster now. So we're done twisting and then we start rolling. Now we're just twisting. It takes a lot of arm strength though. It takes a lot, like, yeah. Just keep twisting. Okay, I like that. So this one is more twisted than the rest. So you have to do like with extension wrapping, but that's fine. Okay. Then we're just going to wrap it underneath like that. Okay, so that's nice, that's cute. I think I should have wrapped this more. Maybe I should just hide it. Okay, so that's better. Okay, so we're going to need something to wrap the top of this so it doesn't come out. Just keep twisting it, even though it seems as if it's not going to happen. Just twist it and then you go in and drag it like this. So the twisting from the bottom goes to the top. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. So my lovelies, we're done with one side and it came out quite okay, but I don't think I really like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. But I think has like a lot of more spike, but I couldn't really achieve it because all I have are like big bobby pins. I can't find a small one. I don't have one here, but this is what we are at right now. So let's go ahead and do the other side. Lovelies, we are done. This is what we're looking like. Do we love it? Do we like it? Do we think it came out quite all right? So this spike is, I don't know what's going on with the spike, but something. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Where do you think it should? It's quite thin. Let me do like, right. Let's go ahead and do this also. So here we have it, my lovelies. This is what the final look is looking like. What do we think? Did we nail it? Or what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. I actually really love how it came out. But the only difference I would say mine and hers have is the fact that mine is a bit like more tight. The curls on mine are really tight and like really wrapped around, unlike hers that is like a bit loose. So there's like, you know, volume and all of that. So you can really see that difference. I tried the spike thing. Okay, I didn't nail it, but I mean, I'm almost there. Let me know what you think in the comment section. My lovelies, let me know what other viral hairstyles you'd like me to check out. You can leave them in the comment section down below. You can just leave a link of a video whichever one you want me to try, and I'll be sure to go through all of them. Yeah, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts also, and be sure to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, be sure to share, and make sure to comment. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. And if you're watching the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next week video. Love you. Bye.